everyone, today we are going to unbox the Random Booster Pack. Guys, finally we got it!
Okay, 等下你开 open first， open first。你等下先。
Let's open up. I wonder what we'll get. Let's open up. Let's see from the QR code. Wait.
Cover the QR code 对吧？
So let's open up this. Oh, wait. We got a Unveil BX-31.
Okay, how about Finn?
Okay, open it up from here. We got BX-31 05.
05. Okay. You will open up the package.
Okay. Let's open it up. Okay.
You got black stuff.
This is the Shark 8, then this is 160, and this is Quick. But not the... It's stuck over here. You can see this is the Quick beat, and this is 160, and this is Shark 8. Guys, now I'm going to fix it up for you guys to see. You can see this is a 160, but it is a black version, and the crate instead of you can see the instead of the white crate, instead of the blue crate, we got the white crate.
Okay. Now the other thing.
Guys, look, as you can see, I already unboxed it just now. Let's take them out. First, let's open up our quick bit. You see that? We got the quick bit here. It's blue in color. Now let's open up the ratchet. I actually don't know what the ratchet is, but we'll see. Oops, I think I opened up too small.
Just tail open.
Look, it's 470.
Wow, so nice.
The color looks actually quite amazing. I don't remember what color the Terranobi is, but you'll see later. Whoa, Terranobi. Guys, as you can see, this is the set of the price be of the whole thing, together with the other sub each. And now let's fix it back up. Look, this is how the complete bait looks.
Nice. Okay, help me open this one.
Okay, now we got the third box. I wonder what we'll get.
Cover the QR.
And we got BX-31 04.
04 is
Which is, as you can see, is Dragon Dagger 470 points. Now let's open it up. This is the thing. I will ask Theodore to help me open it up. Theodore, no funny. Let this out. You see guys, this is Dragon Dagger, a different version color of the original Dragon Dagger set. Now let's open the ratchet.
I have already opened the big.
Coin.
This is my first time seeing this orange color points.
Yes. Now let's pull it back up. You can see, guys, this is Giant Dagger 470 point. Now this is the 3 bits that we got.
This is
Tyranno
Terrorblade 470 quick
And Giant
Giant
Dagger
Dagger
470.
points. And finally we got Shark Edge 160 quick. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thanks for watching, guys. Let's go. And we'll see you in the next.
Like, subscribe.
We'll see you in the next one.